Episode 9. We should honor the resurrection weekly. Yes, Jesus rose from the dead. Yes, it was on the first day of the week. Yes, the resurrection is the heartbeat of our hope. But does that give you permission to break God's holy law every week? Today, we expose this emotional deception because honoring Christ's resurrection does not mean dishonoring his Sabbath. Is that what Jesus asked for? Did he ever say, "Celebrate my resurrection by changing the day of worship"? No, not once. Not in red letters, not in whispers, not in prophecy. When Jesus wanted his followers to remember his death and resurrection, he gave a symbol, not a new Sabbath, not a new commandment. He gave them the Lord's Supper. Luke 22:19, KJV. This do in remembrance of me. That's how we honor the resurrection, not by replacing the day God sanctified with one he never blessed. Only one day was ever blessed, hallowed and commanded by God to be kept holy. Exodus 20:8, KJV. Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. Let this shake you. You can remember the resurrection without changing the commandments of God. Would Jesus die to establish the law, only to rise and abolish it? Romans 6:4, KJV. We are buried with him by baptism into death, that like as Christ was raised, even so we also should walk in newness of life. Baptism is the resurrection memorial, not Sunday worship. You want to honor the resurrection? Live a resurrected life. Be born again. Obey the one who conquered the grave. Keep his commandments, including the Sabbath. Rome hijacked the resurrection and used it to change the day. But no apostle gave this order. No scripture changed the command. This is how tradition replaced obedience. This is how feelings replaced truth. When the dead rise, when Jesus returns, he won't ask, "Did you honor my resurrection with Sunday worship?" He'll ask, "Did you keep my commandments?" Revelation 22:14, KJV. Blessed are they that do his commandments, that they may have right to the tree of life. Final words. The resurrection is holy. The cross is precious. But the law is eternal. Honor his resurrection, but never at the cost of disobeying his law, because the empty tomb can't cancel what was written in eternal stone.